Hello friends, I am back again. Those who do not know me, I have over 25 years of corporate experience, out of which 20 years in various different multinational organizations. As you know, in those places you must be fluent in English. Other than the corporate environment, many of times we need to communicate with people in a language other than our mother tongue. Sometimes we found it challenging. Question is why? The key reason is fear. It is not that we do not know that particular language, but we do not feel confident to speak in those languages or that language. Mostly because we feel that we shall not be able to speak grammatically correct or use the right accent, and people will laugh at us. That is the fear. Fear of being humiliated. Is this fear unnecessary? Well, we may say, speak the way you can, but people often make fun of others when they speak in a very localized accent or speak incorrectly. How do I know all these things? Let me share my life experience with you. Being a Bengali, my education was entirely in Bengali medium. It is not that I have not learnt English, but I also had the same fear of humiliation. Because of that, I was shit scared of speaking in English. To overcome this inferiority complex, I actually had developed a superiority complex within myself. Will you believe that? First 8 months after I have completed my education, I had given interviews in Bengali. What is the reason? I told myself, I am a Bengali. The person who is taking the interview is also Bengali. Then why shall I speak in a foreign language? Result, you can imagine. I had not got a single job offer even though I had appeared for many interviews. One day, one of my friends, who was a couple of years elder to me, told me that I am acting stupid. And if I am looking for a job, then I must be fluent in English. He explained the reason is, even though you and the interviewer both are Bengali, still, while working, you need to interact with people who speaks a different language. And there, English will be a common bridging language. So, no company will take the risk of recruiting you first and then see that you fail miserably while interacting with people in English. He also suggested a few ways to overcome my fear. I have used all those techniques, and you can now see and hear me whether those work for me or not. After implementing the suggestion, believe me, I cracked the first interview in the first attempt itself. So, what are you thinking? Do you resonate with my life story with yours? If you want to overcome the fear, then please join me. I am hosting a webinar on Saturday, 5th of September 2020 at 5 p.m. in the evening. The objective of the session is to help people who are like me and improve their speaking skills. Use these same tips, same tricks what I will be covering during the session for any other language, Indian language, any foreign language. The method will remain same. Now, to cover my time, the cost of the webinar is only 250 rupees. So, please do not wait and suffer. Spend a little money and be able to speak fluently in English or again any other foreign language. Please register using the link in the description section below, and the webinar link will be shared with you by the end of day on 3rd of September 2020. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the webinar on 5th of September. Thank you.